Hey everyone, in this video we will see how you can make a to the top button in your website. So as you can see here, I have a website, and here in this right bottom, I have a button which I have taken from the font awesome, as you can see here, from this, and I have make some styling. I have done some styling on it, as you can see here, transforms. I have make it sticky also, and I have changed the color also. Okay, so let's see how you can make this button to the top button. So whenever I will click this button, it will take me to the top of the website. So let's see how it is done. So first of all, as you can see here, the button is right here. Okay, the code for the button is right here. So what I will do, I will just copy this, and first of all I will place a tag. Okay, and it is used for links. Okay, and inside this tag I will paste the button itself. Now as you can see here, in this href, what you will need to do, you just need to provide this id. Okay, whatever you have on the top of your website, as you can see here, it is written as heading, and it has a id of also heading. So I will just copy this heading, and inside, because it is an id, I have to use a hash. So okay, so hash then heading, and just like that you will see. Let's save it, and now whenever I will click on this, it will take me to that heading part. Okay, so let's see. As I will click here, as you can see here, it suddenly take me to the heading part. Okay, so as you can see, it is right there. So your to the top button is ready. But one more thing we have to do, a smooth scroll. Okay, because it is just instantly taking us to the top. Okay, so what we will need to do for the smooth scrolling, come inside this style tag, and we need to do write smooth scroll. Okay, scroll behavior smooth, that's it. And now if you will see, let's come to the bottom of the website. Now if I will click, as you can see here, it is very smooth and very satisfying to look, and our to the top button is ready. So yes guys, this is how you can make a to the top button and install it in your website. So thanks for watching.